Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar index, we had this swing low right here. We had this swing high. Price went up, made a nice push up, made a corrective push down, made another push up, three waves up to a Fibonacci level, and then a golfing move to the downside. This is literally what I talk about every single day. Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move, three waves up, Fibonacci bounce, a golfing move to the downside. Definitely another pretty decent little sorting opportunity on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. Now, personally, I would like to see a bigger correction. I mean, I would like to see this go up and, at least make a correction to this whole move down, but it really doesn't have to do that. I mean, it potentially could just keep on going down because the trend is down on every single time frame. So I kind of got to take a picture out of my old mentor's book and say the strategy right now on the dollar is to either be already short, waiting for an exit, or the strategy is to be waiting patiently for another three-way pullback, another Fibonacci bounce, and another entry to go short because the time frame, every single higher time frame, the trend is down. And I think it's kind of crazy to look for longs when every single higher time frame is in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.